Let's have a really quick look at the Mosko Moto Fatty tool roll. So this is our old or current and as you can see, the tool roll comes with this handy dry bag. But let's look at the main attraction, the actual tool roll. We have a sturdy strap with a metal clip, and inside the tool roll we have two pockets that go from top to bottom, this flap with a mesh pocket, and there's a plastic pocket on the side. And when we compare it to the old tool roll, it's a little bit bigger. First, let's start stuffing the big tools, the long tools, into the elastic straps on the right. This is actually upside down, by the way. We then decided to try the vertical pockets, one for sockets and the other one for spanners. That's wrenches for some of you. And then we just decided to stuff the rest of the things wherever we could find space for them. This is the first try and things might change. If you'd like to build your own adventure motorcycling toolkit, I've got a video about that. In there I explain how we got to these tools and how you can make your own. But now let's see if we've stuffed the fatty a little bit too much. See if we can close it up. Happy with that? Our old tool roll, the Kriega one, has served us well. It hasn't broken or anything like that, it's very sturdy. However, long tools doesn't really fit into it.
I've noticed something.
Oh yeah, had the outside thingy for the levers.
Yeah.
You want to have them in there?
Yeah.
Okay. 2. If you didn't get what just happened, Cass spotted the outside pocket for the tire irons. So we're now reorganizing the whole thing. And we also realized that we have been stuffing it upside down, if it makes a difference. Yeah.
Feels empty.
Yeah. I've been storing some gaffer tape on this Motion Pro tire iron, but it's over 5 years old, so I think it's time to ditch this and see if we can find another spot for some new one. Those tire irons fits really nice in there. I like that. And a few small tweaks to the content and we can give it another go to see if we can close it up. Alright, there we go. Nice and tight. That looks good. I like that. But, oops, forgot the rags. Is third time the charm? And a few more tweaks whilst we're at it, why not? Let's have a look at the dry bag. Do you think the fatty will fit? First we tried to stuff the tool roll into the dry bag sideways, but it didn't really work out. Then we tried to stuff the tool roll all the way down into the dry bag, and this seemed to work even if it was tight. It fits really well, and that's a pretty good package. So far we're liking the Fatty tool roll. It's a very big tool roll, but we've got a lot of tools for our big bikes, so I guess it's okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you stick around. There's plenty more to come. Thank you.